Hi, I'm Tina White, Director of the Northern New England Young Inventors Program, and I'm here again with my friend Thomas to bring you YIP at Home. Today we're going to focus on brainstorming, an important part of the design and invention process. Thomas, what's brainstorming?
Well, you got a storm of ideas in your head.
A storm of ideas in your head? I love it. There are many ways to approach brainstorming, but really it's just thinking up new ideas. It's always a good idea to have a notebook, an inventor log or journal, or some sheets of paper around so you can write down your ideas as you think of them. That way you won't forget them later. Thomas, have you ever brainstormed?
Yeah.
How do you know how to get started?
Really?
It is really hard. Sometimes I feel like my brain's gonna explode.
Same.
But one method you can use is called SCAMPER.
SCAMPER?
SCAMPER is a mnemonic device or a tool to help you get started. Each letter in the word SCAMPER stands for a prompt that helps us with a step of the brainstorming process. So for example, S is for substitute. You can replace something that already exists with something else. Or you could C, combine two things and make them into one, or take them apart. You could adapt. You could adjust something to be used for something different, reshape it, tune it up. You could M, modify, magnify, or minify. That means you could think about changing the color or the sound something makes, or you could make it bigger or smaller, longer or shorter. You could P.
P?
Not that type of P, silly.
Oh.
You could P, put it to another use, change when or where or how something might be used. You could E, eliminate it, make it simpler, cut something out. Or you could R, rearrange and reverse, change the order or the pattern or the sequence. So that's SCAMPER, and those are some ways you could approach an idea for a design. So now that we have ideas on how to start brainstorming, let's get to work.
Are you ready to do the YIP challenge number 2?
I am. So let's go. So for today's challenge, what are we going to need, Thomas?
We're going to need any kind of like marker, pencil, or like anything that you can draw with, like a pencil.
Okay, and what else do we need?
A paper.
Some paper. And what else?
Kitchen utensil.
A kitchen utensil. Should I ask before I grab something?
Yes.
Maybe I should ask Mom and Dad, just to be sure. So those are the things that we're going to need. So some things to write and draw with, some paper, and something from your kitchen, a utensil or a tool. But make sure you ask your family first. So today, we're going to take an ordinary utensil from the kitchen and we're going to make it into something new. So first, take the utensil that you borrowed from the kitchen. Thomas, what did you find today?
Spatula.
A spatula? Ah, and how do you use the spatula?
I use it for like cutting oranges and then scooping out them and like then smashing them.
And smashing them? And how else do we use?
Scooping it.
What do we love flipping, and what do we love to flip in our house?
Pancakes and hamburgers.
Pancakes and hamburgers. Sounds good. Now, take that spatula, and I want you to hold it in your hand and look at it from all different angles. Hold it upside down. Hold it backwards. Move it around. So, how else could we use a spatula?
Oh, no.
What else could we use it for? If we didn't use it in the kitchen, or for flipping hamburgers or pancakes, how else could we use it?
For traps.
We could make a trap with it. What else could we do?
Tennis racket.
Maybe use it as a tennis racket. And what else?
Zip line for.
A zip line.
Put the string through this one of the holes if they have one of these holes. put the string through it. Then if you have like an action figure or a Lego that can grab, put it on, and then you can send it down.
Send it flying. I love it. What else?
Catapult.
A catapult? Cool. So today, you're going to take a few minutes to think about some ideas for how to reuse your kitchen tool. You can write down anything that comes to mind on your sheet of paper. Make a list of all your ideas, and then if you can, share it with somebody at home. Then circle your favorite or best idea on your list. Now you have something for a new use for your kitchen utensil. Here comes the fun part, designing. So here's your YIP challenge today. Take some time to draw and design your new tool based on the everyday kitchen utensil you chose. You can use markers, pencils, crayons, whatever you have. And your design should show how your new tool is used and what it does. You can label the different parts of your tool and show what you added, what you took away, or how you changed it to become something new with a new use. And if you want, and if it's okay with your family, you could even build your design with other materials that you have around the house to see if it works. Once you have your design, the drawing, and or the model, you can submit it to us to complete the challenge. So Thomas, what did you do today?
I made a catapult.
You made a catapult. Can you show us? Show the people. Let's see this design over here. Great, and you labeled all the parts. So what parts are you going to use?
A marshmallow, flying marshmallow.
A flying marshmallow?
Right here. A spatula and a elastic band and a bowl.
And your bowl. Fantastic. And did you actually build a model?
Yes.
Well, let's check it out. I'm going to zoom in on you here. Awesome. Wait, where'd that marshmallow go? Oops. There we go. Fantastic. So, have fun. Do your best. We can't wait to see what you do. Good luck. Bye.
Bye.